In my screencast, I'm going to show you how I created one of my logos for task 16 on Illustrator using the pen tool, type on path tool, and the anchor point tool. First, what I did was select the pen tool and draw a random curvy line. I then need to make sure this has no fill and is simply a black line. I then select the type on path tool, click on the line and type the letters that I wish. I then highlight these letters and select the type size and the typeface that I wish from the character window. I've chosen marker felt as I feel that has a loose style which suits the loose line that it is drawn on. I then use the arrows to change the size, angles, and overlappings of the letters. If I dislike something I've done, I can simply press Command Z to undo this. You can also use the anchor point tool to also change these factors. Once you are happy with what you have, then you can simply highlight the letters and change the colours. I have chosen bright colours as I want this logo to stand out. I think that this is an effective logo and this meets the brief well as I experiment with a typeface and the type tool using colour and the type path tool to combine shapes and to change something so simple to something so personalised and creative. Here are some others I created for this task.